Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2020 and is related to the topic air pollution and also benzene. The question is, which one of the following are the reasons, factors for exposures to benzene pollution? Number 1, automobile exhaust. Number 2, tobacco smoke. Number 3, wood burning. Number 4, using varnished wooden furniture. Number 5, using products made of polyurethane. Now, as far as benzene pollution is concerned, pollution is basically when the harmful chemicals or products are added into the atmosphere or environment in high amount. That leads to pollution. As far as benzene is concerned, then benzene is colorless liquid, highly flammable, this is a colorless and highly flammable liquid. Also, benzene is a byproduct of coal and oil refineries. So, near oil refineries, we can see high level of benzene pollution. As far as these options are concerned, then in automobile exhaust, tobacco smoke and wood burning, benzene is released. And as far as exposure in high amount is concerned, then these are incorrect, because using varnished wooden furniture cannot lead to that amount of benzene pollution. Also, using products made of polyurethane cannot lead to that amount of benzene pollution. So, our answer for this question will be A, 1, 2 and 3. As far as benzene is concerned, then benzene was also mentioned in National Air Quality National Ambient Air Quality Standards, that is NAAQS, under which Central Pollution Control Board notifies 12 pollutants which can cause air pollution, and benzene is one among them. And these are notified under Air Pollution Act of 1981. Air Pollution Prevention and Control Act of 1981. So, answer for this question will be A. Thank you.